Monthly market update for October. Not a whole lot happened on the real estate market in October. Things is still slow, um, largely based on buying demand, which is slow because not a lot of buyers are qualifying with rates. However, now that we're into November, first couple of days in November, we saw bond markets fall. Bank of Canada held at the last interest rate announcement, so that is promising in the market. Have a look at our current rates. If you're struggling with variable rate or you've got a refi coming due, reach out. Let's chat some solutions and ways that we can make things more affordable for you, and make sure you don't put yourself in a tough spot. Leasing side is starting to get busy again. It is probably a good time to look into investing if you want to do so, because we're kind of in that soft spot before a lot of investors get heavily into their search in the market. And I think now that we're seeing interest rates start to come down a little, we're going to see some upward pressure on prices and buying demand, and that's not a fun market to be a buyer. Anyways, all things real estate, reach out if you have any questions, and we'd love to fill you in on what we got going on. But if you own real estate or want to own real estate, that's exactly what we're set up to do to help you with. So please reach out, and hopefully we'll have some exciting stuff coming for you for the month of November.